We are now looking for arc length. When we're talking about arcs, we're talking about a part of the circumference, not the entire circumference. So in this first problem, we're looking for this arc from here to here, which is considered to be a minor arc because it's less than 180 degrees. If it's an arc that goes beyond 180 degrees, is greater than 180 degrees, like here, so it's over halfway, then we call it a major arc. But we're looking for a portion of the circle, not the entire circle circumference. We're still going to use our equation for the entire circumference, and then we're going to say, oh, we only want this part. So the circumference equation, remember the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or pi times the diameter. So since I have radius here, I'm going to choose to use the 2 pi r equation. So to find this arc length, and I will call it AB because it's a distance from A to B. I'm going to start with 2 pi, and then my radius is 5. So we'll put the 5 in there. And then I want to tell it what portion of the circle that I'm wanting. So to go all the way around a circle, it's 360 degrees. And since I'm only wanting a portion of that 360, I'm going to put the whole part here. And then I'm going to tell it I want 100 of the 360. So that's how I tell it how much of the circumference to use based on our central angle here. Now we just clean it up. So the 10s cancel out. 5 times 2 times pi is 10 pi. Remember, this would represent the entire circumference around the circle. And then we're going to multiply it. Let's see. And I know that 10 divided by 36 would become 5/18. So I'm going to make that 5/18 here. And I'll just keep working down. So now I have 5 times 10, so it's 50 pi over 18. Oh, we can reduce that because 2 goes into both 50 and 18. So that becomes 25 pi over 9. And I have my units. Don't forget that at the end. It's in centimeters. And if we wanted to approximate, that's accurate. If we wanted an approximate answer, it would be 8.73 centimeters is the length between A and B. If you were to walk this length, it would be 8.73 centimeters. So let's try another one. This one looks a little different. Instead of giving you the radius, you were given the diameter. And we want to find this red arc here, but we don't have the angle. Good news, we know that all the way around the circle, though, is 360 degrees. So if I have 30 right there, this major arc from here to here is 330 degrees. We're going to use 330. So, and since I have diameter, why don't I use the pi times diameter formula? So pi times the diameter of 20, and then that's the entire circumference. Now I tell it the portion that I want. 360 is the whole thing, and I want 330 of that 360. Again, I can cancel the 10s. So now I have 36 and 33. 3 goes into both of those. I can reduce that to be 11/12. And here I have 20 times pi. Well, that would equal 220 pi over 12. I'm just going to keep cleaning it up. I can divide that in 210 pi. If we're looking for the accurate, just keep going till you can't reduce that fraction any further. 55 pi, which is approximately 57.6 feet. And I don't want to forget, feet there also.